What we can do is throw some peanuts down by the corner here. We can throw some down there. Okay, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Unfortunately, I took my camera out and they didn't like that. They saw that and that was not good. Now they're coming down again. I'll just have to stick with the GoPro for now. Somehow that doesn't bother them. Maybe it's that lens that comes out and to them it looks like I'm aiming some kind of weapon at them. So that doesn't work. Oh, look at the hawk. He's going down by the sparrows because there's sausage and cheese there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now coming all the pigeons. Still food left on the field. Jeremy wants some of that. Oh, there he goes down. He sees there's sausage and cheese there. I put a little pile there, sprinkled it around in case Charlie came down. He sees it already. Wow, look at these pigeons coming in. Look at that. Jeremy's still hanging in there. There he goes. Oh, did you see that? He wanted it. He had a big piece of bread in his mouth and he wanted it. Wow. He wasn't after the crow, he was after this piece of bread. Well, it's really starting to rain here. Doesn't stop the crows from getting their food. Oh, there's the giant seagull. There's the tag gull. Well, there's a man walking in the parking lot there. I kind of scared the birds. It could be the giant gull wants one of those seed balls. It's unfortunately not a good day. It's not a good day for the birds. There's just too much interruption. It's a shame because Saturday is their one day that they can have some peace. Yeah, I'm afraid this man here in the yellow truck that just went by, he's parking right now. He's a bird hater. And you see how the birds reacted. He's in a yellow Hummer truck there. But it's not good. Anyway, I'm going to shut this video down and get home. I'm starting my, writing my text for my little campaign. I'm going to launch it today and start with sending out the email addresses. Brian gathered some email addresses up for me. So it's interesting. I see a hawk, 2 hawks here. But one hawk is after the other hawk. I don't know. It's strange. It's like he's driving the other hawk out of the area. There they go. Okay. Well, I'm going to get going. I'll be here this evening. Charlie came down. That was a real treat. We got Charlie up on the electrical box. And yeah, hopefully the birds will come back. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, over and out.